What's going on, y'all? I'm about to show the garden that's planted in April, and it's out here raining right now, so I'm gonna do this quick. We got a mess here. It's actually a lot of stuff, but I just staked up my sunflower here. Looking a mess, but gotta do what you gotta do. Cucumbers. This tomato here, I planted in April. All of this is from seed. These tomatoes here is from seed, and they've been in the ground for like 2 months, around that. Not even, I don't think. So I've just been using these trash bags to, tie them up. We got callaloo here. It's like a vine and spinach type thing. Pak choy, cucumber, Tabasco pepper. All along here I planted tomatoes, but I didn't plant them all the same day, because what's going to happen is once they done giving all the tomatoes and stuff, these are gonna just now be getting started. So that's why I did that on purpose. So yeah, all this over here, this is a full sun bed. You got beets, grapes, and I just put these to stop any pests, because last time I grew grapes it was like some bugs and stuff eating all of them. So we ain't doing that this time. We got precautions set in place for that. Lettuce. This squash here, I think it's squash. I don't even know what I planted right there. Squash, pumpkin or zucchini. Watermelon there. And I really want watermelon, so I planted them in multiple spots there. There's a watermelon too. This whole bed I did a short of me planting this bed here. Moringa. Sweet bell peppers. Blueberries doing good. All of this whole garden was planted in April. It's messed up in here, dude. Damn. More blueberries. I'm not expecting it to be loaded because we just planted them out of the pots. Over here we got a bunch of stuff. More tomatoes, cucumbers. And this time I wasn't really worried about spacing, so we gonna see what happens. Because people be saying if you plant stuff too close, you're not gonna have a good time with that. But I don't got that much space, so we just gonna plant it and see what happens. This is butternut squash there. One back there, all of that. Pumpkin. I think that's a big moon pumpkin or something. This the orange watermelon, I think. Lettuce. I'm about to start harvesting that, so I'm gonna do the cut and come again thing. I don't think I'm gonna take them all out in one harvest. All of this sunflower looking good. Pak choy here. I had harvested a lot of it, but it's getting torn up by bugs, so I'm just about to let it bolt to seed. And when it bolt, it got these flowers. And this is eggshells on my hand. Raspberry. That's the yellow fall gold raspberry that I actually got from in here. Dang, my stick. Let me zoom out so y'all can see it is up in here. Yeah, we working on it though. It's the watering. What I do, I just turn it on like this and fill it up. Leave it like that. And just keep watering. When you need to refill it, you refill it. I mean, and that raspberry thing that I got came from this. And it was actually right here, and we dug it up, but I didn't get that on video. So you could easily propagate that by just digging up a little piece of it and planting it. Some of them got bit by bugs, so I didn't cover all of them. Did you see this? Don't looking good. Oh, never mind. That one got bit by something. The ones that didn't get bit, I covered with these, what you call it? Insect netting. We got red raspberry, blackberry. This was a crepe myrtle air layer from that crepe myrtle up there. Apple tree over here, looking good. Loaded with apples. Loaded with apples. But yeah, these trees was planted like I think 4 years ago, and they started off giving not a lot of fruit, but now they really pumping out fruit. This grape though was only planted in a pot last year, and now look at it. And what a lot of people would do is just cut all the fruit off, but we ain't doing that. We ain't doing that. I'm gonna leave some of it on. Like, of course I'm not gonna leave all of that on there, but I'm gonna cover some of them and the rest I'm gonna thin out. Yeah, over here the peaches, they got attacked, of course. All of those little brown holes, that's from the bugs getting at it. What's gonna happen is the worms in there is gonna grow, and then the fruit is gonna fall off. So I was only able to save 2 of them using the nets. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, and then this, I did a YouTube short on that, and you can see it's growing real good. And if I tried to plant that in that clay just like that, it would not have grown like that. It would still be stuck looking like this. Well, this is not a bad looking plant, but it would have been yellow. I tried it before. I tried planting directly into the clay like that, and it didn't go well. You gotta add some sort of compost or something to it, or it's just gonna sit there and not grow. Over here is more moringa and a 2-year. This is a pomegranate. These are pomegranates from seed. This one's like a year or 2 old. 1 year old. It's 1 year old. A little older than that. Watermelon seedlings, and I got some more watermelon growing in this bag here. And over here, I plant extra stuff I can't fit in the bed. This was a piece of that blackberry that I planted, and these are Big Moon pumpkins. And you see I didn't add any compost, nothing to it, and you see they're kind of looking yellow. That's what happens when you plant directly in this. Oh yeah, and then the compost pile is back here, where I just stow all my stuff. See, all along here you got trees that I just cut down and stuff. Like, I just cut down stuff like this, and then you flip you all over to see this. And then I just throw random stuff, kitchen scraps and stuff. Egg cartons. And I just throw it all in this pile, and you see it's breaking down pretty good. And all of that is gonna go in there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how stuff is looking. It's May 14th. All of this was planted in April, around that time. So I didn't even show y'all the persimmons. Persimmons are coming on here. Just planted it, so I think I'm gonna leave like 2 fruits. 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe 5. Since it's just his first year and it kind of looks like a twig. Yeah, because I didn't want this video to be all long. So yeah, I'll see y'all